I have analyzed thousands of trending e-commerce products. That's literally what we do, and we're pretty good at identifying them before they blow up. People ask me all the time to help them identify products that are trending and profitable. Doing this research yourself takes a ton of time, not to mention all the money that you'd have to spend on services like Helium 10, AMZ Scout, Seller Amp, the list goes on. Instead, all you have to do to find these products is hit that beautiful red subscribe button and stick around for the next few minutes. Let's dive in. It's the summertime, everybody wants to smell good. This product is growing in popularity again, with a growth of 567% in the past 2 years alone, and a monthly average revenue of $138,000, which is pretty impressive considering the cost. Let's talk about Over Deodorant. You can probably guess what this one does. It's designed to offer odor protection not just for your underarms, but for your whole body, including areas like the chest, back, feet, intimate areas, anywhere. But who are you selling this one to? First, active individuals, athletes, gym goers, bodybuilders, and anybody with a busy schedule who wants to stay fresh. For example, after intense workout classes, my wife sometimes needs to come back via Subway and feels a little self-conscious when she's smelling. As soon as she saw this one, she bought it. Second is grooming enthusiasts, anybody who really cares about hygiene. What's important is that this market's really going to care about ingredients. And Over Deodorants do use cleaner ingredients because they need to be safe for the whole body. So if you think of homemade deodorant, you might think of one that's not so effective, you still smell, somebody made it in their garage, etc. This is an idea that you have to actively counteract while you're marketing. So how's that done? Using athlete endorsements, because who sweats more than them? If this works for them, surely it'll work for you or anybody who's less active than they are. It's claimed to be a clean yet effective deodorant, which isn't too harsh on the skin, as explained by dermatologists. Having a professional recommendation is a really effective way to build trust and increase conversions for pretty much any product. Also, use humor. Discussing body odor can sometimes be an awkward subject, so the more humor you can infuse into your marketing, the more effective it'll be. Now you've got all the information you need to start selling this viral product. Rice has been used in skincare for centuries, and for good reason. Check this crazy recent peak in popularity from the end of 2024 into 2025 and a monthly revenue of $162,000. This is the Glow Rice Ampoule. It's a concentrated skincare ingredient formulated with, you guessed it, rice, known for their brightening, hydrating, and skin smoothing properties. So, skincare is a massive market, so how do you know who to target specifically with this one? First, K-beauty enthusiasts. Any fans of Korean skincare are going to actively seek out products that give them that coveted glass skin look. Now, because it's an ampoule, it's claiming to be more concentrated than normal serums, which is more bang for your buck. You're also going to sell to those who have sensitive or dull skin. So if you're sensitive to a lot of skincare ingredients, it can be pretty hard to know what to use, but this was designed to gently exfoliate and brighten the skin. Since rice has been used within skincare for such a long time, you do have this advantage of familiarity. So we did a deep dive into the Glow Rice Ampoule. Here is how it's been marketed most effectively. First, by showing skincare routines that use rice-based products. Seeing the product in use and how glowy the skin looks right after can be all a customer needs to make that decision. I mean, even I, somebody who never buys skincare products, could not resist buying this one. Although who wouldn't want some salmon sperm on their face? Sometimes when you're marketing these products, it takes a tangible before and after. A lot of videos show clogged pores being cleaned out with this product. The promise of a quick and easy solution, as opposed to the vague 4 to 6 weeks you might see some results, is always more effective. Matcha Lemonade has steadily been growing over the past 5 years with 7,800% search growth and an average revenue of nearly $200,000 every single month. Again, the name is pretty self-explanatory. Matcha Lemonade is a refreshing beverage. It blends matcha with lemonade. So, who are you going to sell this one to? First, health and wellness enthusiasts. Matcha Lemonade is antioxidant-rich, low in sugar, it's plant-based. That makes it an excellent alternative to sugary sodas. The overall trend that we're seeing is multifunctional drinks that are actually good for you. If you're looking for a giant industry shift, just take a look at Pepsi's new line of sodas. Your market is also going to be at-home baristas, because sometimes you want something to energize you on the go. Instead of buying it at a local cafe where the ingredients might be unnatural or be higher in sugar, why not make it at home? So, here are some commonalities of high converting content for this product. First, comparison with cafe matcha lemonades. So it's cheaper, it's easier, it's healthier than what you'd get at a cafe. So making a fun, pretty drink at home can make anyone's day better. These videos make it super simple. They put the instructions and recipe on screen, no voiceover, just showing this colorful, aesthetically pleasing drink. And that's another tip for marketing or choosing products to sell anywhere in the food or drink space, even in the supplement space. You want to choose ones that are colorful, that are vibrant, that are going to look good on camera. With an 8,200% search growth in the past 5 years and only 40,000 searches per month, you're going to want to hear about this next one. These are carbon-plated running shoes. These are high-performance athletic running shoes that have this thin carbon plate inside. That plate adds a lot of power, allowing you to go farther with each step. So who's it targeted at? Active people, of course, but let's take a look at a more niche demographic that's going to get you more bang for your buck. That is competitive runners and marathoners, these athletes aiming for PRs or race day performance boosts. They're motivated, they want to spend money on things that improve their times and their performance. This is a no-brainer for them. So let's take a look at how these shoes are being marketed successfully. First, comparison videos with other running shoes. Easy, showing how strong the propulsion is with that carbon midsole. Second, use social proof. Mention the record-breaking athletes who also use theyese shoes. Like Eliud Kipchoge, no idea if I said that name right. Professional gear or gear endorsed by professionals feels exclusive, which increases your demand. This is a super niche product, which is why it's so good. People who are serious about their sport, even if they're not pros, are going to spend money on anything that improves their performance. Our last product today is a crazy one. That's 2 words I never thought I would say in the same sentence: AI vacuum. It does have a higher average price, but a massive customer base with an average monthly revenue of over $500,000 and a 224% increase in search growth in the past 2 years alone. What is it? Well, it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, it's a vacuum powered by artificial intelligence, which is claimed to navigate, to clean, and adapt to environments more intelligently than traditional robot vacuums. So, who's shelling out extra money to buy this one? First, busy professionals, people who have big homes and no time to clean it. Second is families and pet owners. Little ones of any species can be quite messy. Every little extra help can lead to a less chaotic environment. So remember that when you're starting your marketing. You're not just selling a vacuum, you're selling a reduction in chaos. So how exactly are these vacuums being marketed? Let's take a look. First, showing how effective they are at cleaning compared to other robot cleaners. Second, by showing visual proof of how good it is at cleaning things up. So you know that if you ever accidentally spill a thin layer of coffee all over your apartment, your robot can handle it. Because who does that not happen to? Now, that's it for today. We have so many more products to get through, so if this is the kind of content you've been looking for, please consider hitting subscribe. And if you want to find any trending products in a very specific niche, write that niche below in the comments and I will give you a trending product totally free. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.